Welcome, fellow visionaries, to the Vault of Epic Facts. Embark on a transformative journey with us as we unveil the top 10 ways to make a difference in fortune in 2024. From revolutionary tech ventures and renewable energy initiatives to personal growth revolutions, discover the blueprints for success that not only boost your bank account, but also leave a lasting impact on the world. This is your guide to not only make money, but make a meaningful difference. Let's dive into the future of purpose-driven success together. 10. Emerging technologies investment. In a world dominated by constant innovation, investing in emerging technologies is not just a financial move, it's a visionary step into the future. Imagine putting your money into companies that are pioneering artificial intelligence, revolutionizing blockchain applications, and leading the charge in clean energy solutions. These aren't just investments, they're contributions to the technological landscape that will shape the world for generations to come. 9. Remote work solutions. Remote work isn't merely a trend, it's a lifestyle that empowers you to redefine your workspace. Dive into opportunities that make this seamless: virtual collaboration tools, innovative workspace solutions, and platforms that bridge the gap between team members miles apart. In this digital era where work should be where you are, exploring and investing in the infrastructure supporting remote work is not just a business move, it's a commitment to the evolving nature of work itself. 8. Sustainable and eco-friendly ventures. Close your eyes and envision a world where every business prioritizes sustainability. Be the change by delving into sustainable and eco-friendly ventures. From manufacturing practices that minimize environmental impact to ventures focused on renewable energy, your business isn't just about profit margins, it's about leaving a green legacy. As consumers increasingly demand eco-conscious options, your venture could lead the way in creating a harmonious balance between business success and planetary well-being. 7. E-commerce and online marketplaces. The future of shopping is not a crowded mall. It's a well-curated online marketplace accessible from the comfort of your home. Dive into the vast opportunities of e-commerce by exploring unique niches or creating innovative marketplaces. Whether you're selling niche products or pioneering new ways to connect buyers and sellers, your venture is positioned at the intersection of convenience and commerce. 6. Health and wellness industry. Health is indeed wealth, and in a world increasingly focused on well-being, diving into the health and wellness industry is not just a business move, it's a contribution to the collective health of society. Whether you're developing fitness apps, introducing innovative wellness products, or championing organic foods, your venture can be the catalyst for a healthier future. 5. Educational technology. Education is the cornerstone of progress, and investing in educational technology is an investment in the future minds that will shape the world. Imagine creating or supporting platforms that make learning accessible, engaging, and tailored to individual needs. Whether it's interactive e-learning modules, AI-driven tutoring, or gamified educational apps, your venture isn't just a business, it's a gateway to empowerment. In a world where knowledge is key, your contribution to the educational landscape could be the spark that ignites countless intellectual journeys. 4. Personal development and coaching. Your venture into personal development and coaching isn't just a business move, it's an investment in human growth. Develop platforms, courses, or one-on-one coaching sessions that help individuals discover their strengths, overcome challenges, and achieve personal milestones. As you witness the transformation of lives, your business becomes a beacon of positive change, inspiring others to strive for their best selves. In a world hungry for personal growth, your coaching venture could be the guiding light many seek. 3. Artificial intelligence and automation. The future is automated, and your venture can be at the forefront of this revolution. From chatbots providing customer support to AI-driven data analysis, your business isn't just about embracing technology, it's about shaping a future where human potential is unleashed by intelligent automation. As industries worldwide adopt AI, your venture could be the driving force behind the next wave of technological evolution. 2. Renewable energy initiatives. Your venture into renewable energy initiatives isn't just a business endeavor, it's a commitment to a sustainable future. Whether you're investing in solar technology, wind energy, or innovative solutions for energy storage, your business is a catalyst for reducing our carbon footprint. In a world grappling with environmental challenges, your venture becomes a beacon of hope, showing that profitable business can align with environmental responsibility. As you contribute to a greener Earth, your success transcends financial gains, making a lasting impact on the global environment. 1. Social impact entrepreneurship. Imagine a business world where success is measured not just in profits, but in positive social impact. Your journey into social impact entrepreneurship isn't merely a business choice, it's a commitment to making the world a better place. Whether you're addressing social inequalities, supporting community development, or championing humanitarian causes, your venture becomes a force for good. As you witness the tangible impact on lives, you'll find fulfillment beyond financial success. In a world hungry for positive change, your social impact entrepreneurship could be the transformative force that inspires a new era of purpose-driven business. As we conclude this inspiring journey, remember the power to shape your future lies in your hands. If you found value in these insights and want more keys to success, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest strategies and tips for a prosperous and purposeful life. Your journey to success starts now.